Good morning, student. Welcome to hashtag Maths Adda. My name is Master Akis. This is the ratio part 2. We are covering the ratio part 2. So, Allah basic in the first class, Allah, what did we go through with the same topic? A ratio B. These are the 2 points is known as ratio. This is the symbol of ratio. It is read as A is to B or A ratio B. It is read as A ratio B or A is to B. So the first term is A. The first term is A. This first term is known as antecedent. Antecedent. The second term is known as, the first term is antecedent. Second term B is known as consequent. Consequent. C-O-N-S-E-Q-U-E-N-T. Consequent. The second term is known as consequent. So it is read as A is to B or A ratio B. If you didn't see our first part, ratio first part, please watch the ratio first part. So remember to calculate the ratio of two quantities in the first class. To calculate ratio of two quantities, unit must be same. Unit must be same. So this is very important point. So to calculate the ratio of two quantities, they have to be converted into the same unit. So to compare two ratios, if suppose that you are comparing two ratios, to compare two ratios, make the second term of the both ratios equal. Make the second term of both ratios equal. Always make the second term. Make the second term of both ratios equal. We will see the some questions. Suppose that find the if I'll tell you find ratio pehla. The first question is 20 centimeter to 2 meter. 20 centimeter to 2 meter. You have to find out the ratio of 20 centimeter to 2 meter. So how will you do this? Okay, so you will have to solve this because a unit has to be same. If you won't do the same unit, you won't be finding the value of this. So either meter to be changed into centimeter or centimeter to be changed. So always make the second, to compare two ratios, make the second term, this is the second term, means consequent of both ratios equal. It has to be equal, unit has to be equal. So 1 meter, how many centimeter? 1 meter 100 centimeter. 2 meter means 200 centimeter. It means you are comparing 20 centimeter to 200 centimeter. So ratio will become 20 centimeter ratio 200 centimeter. Unit has to be same. So it is like this: 20 upon 2, 20 1s are 20, 20 10s are 200, so 1 upon 10 or 1 ratio 10. This will be the answer for the same. Okay, so you have to convert. So like this, second question is like this: 50 gram to 4 kg. If suppose that 50 gram to 4 kg, so kg second wala, the bigger unit, you convert this unit into the smaller unit. Okay, so for 1 kg how many grams? 1 kg 1000 gram. So 2 kg 2000, 3 kg 3000, 4 kg 4000 grams. So 4000 grams. So you are comparing directly this to this one. 4 kg is equal to 4000 grams. So 50 gram. This is also gram. This is also gram. So 50 ratio 4000. Okay, 50 upon 4000. 1 0 cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 80s are 400. So 1 upon 80 or 1 ratio 80. you can write like this, 1:80. So these are the there are many things you can compare. If suppose that I'll ask you 25 ml to 1 liter, antecedent consequent, it is read as, okay. So if I'll tell you the first term is 25 ml to 1 liter, find the ratio of 25 ml to 1 liter. So this is first term, second term, consequent. So 1 liter, how many ml? 1000 ml. Okay, 1000 ml. So you are directly comparing this to this one. So what will happen? 25 ratio 1000. Okay, so 25 on the 25 40 is 1000. So 1:40, 1:40. So this becomes 1:40. So for finding ratio, you have to convert into the same units. Suppose that 7 days to 2 weeks, 7 days to 2 weeks. Okay, so weeks, 1 week, how many days? 7 days. 2 weeks, 14 days. So 7 days to 14 days you are comparing. So it becomes 7 upon 14, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 1:2. So the question is like this: if suppose that 80 paise to 5 rupees, suppose that 80 paise to 5 rupees, you are doing 80 paise to 5 rupees, 80 paise to 5 rupees. Okay, 1 rupees, how many paise? 100 paise. 5 rupees, 500 paise. Okay, 500 paise. So 80 paisa to 500 paise, तो 80 upon 500, 0 से 0 cancel, 8 upon 50, 2 4 is 8, 2 25 is 50, so 4:25. This is the answer. This is very shortcut. Okay, so antecedent and consequent, do remember. So this is all about ratios. So watch out these parts. Do like, subscribe and share the channel. We will soon release the part 3. Thank you very much.